Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, we're going to consider the following equation, and then we're going to determine which of the following is the solution to the equation. We're going to write the equation. Our goal is to have this part, which has the variable x on one side of the equal sign and have just numbers over here on this side of the equal sign. So that tells me that this piece is in my way right here. If I want to move it, I just have to do the opposite of what's being done to it. If it's being subtracted and I need it to go away, if I add it, it would turn into a 0. But if I add it to this side, I also must add it on the other side of the equal sign. And now I have determined that 2.5 times some unknown number, which x represents some unknown number, would give us 8.75. When I divide both sides by 2.5, I actually end up with x equals 3.5. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.